Yeah, it's your boy Junie. I'm doing a quick little video on how to restore a headlight the cheap way, but it's effective. Okay. Before I used to have the Honda Accord, the 99 with the J32, if y'all remember. This is my new car right here. I've been working on for like the past year. It's not much yet, but gets me to point A to point B. Okay. It's actually up for sale because I plan on getting me another car, something more newer. So yeah, but onto the video though, the headlight restoration. Okay, what we have here is a fogged up headlight. Okay, see, now I'm going to show you a quick and easy way just to go ahead and clean that up. Okay, baby oil and a cloth. Put a little bit of baby oil on there, just like this. It doesn't even have to be much, you see? All I do is put a little bit. Doesn't even have to be much. Okay, all ready? Here you go. I'm only gonna do half so you can see the difference, and then I'll finish it off. Okay. There you go. Look at the difference. And that's just a little bit of baby oil, okay? You don't need the bug spray, you don't need the toothpaste, or these expensive ass cleaners that you go to get at, Advanced Auto Parts, or, wherever. It's just a quick little, cheap, inexpensive way to fix your headlights, okay? Finish it off really quick for y'all so you can see the whole thing now. It's a little cold out here in Miami for the first time. Kind of unexpected this morning. I came out here in shorts and a tank top and damn near froze my ass the fuck off. Voila. Didn't even break a sweat. No power drills with the damn sanders on it. No 300 grit, none of that 500 no. All I do is use regular baby oil, okay? And a rag. That's it. That's it. And look at that. Turn on the headlight so you can see just how clear it is. Let me get my keys. Get my keys out. Oh, there we go. Clean. It's your boy Junior and I'm out.